everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm sharing with you all my recipe for pastelle nachos. So if you have extra pastelle meat, guess what? Turn it into nachos. So I'm going to show you guys how I make this, and it's really easy and it's going to be so delicious for you to try. So to start, in my skillet I'm adding in my oil on a medium heat. Once the oil is nice and hot, go in with your meat of choice. Start breaking up the meat. Add some salt to taste and cook the meat until it's brown and it's crumbly. Once brown and crumbly, we're going to start adding our aromatics. So in goes my onion, scallions, or as we say in Trinidad, saif, pimento peppers and baby bell red, minced garlic, green seasoning or bandania, raisins and dried cranberries. Don't skip that, guys. Trust me, when you bite into this nacho and you get that little hint of sweetness, you're going to be like, oh, that was it. That's gonna hit that sweet spot. It's going to taste so great. So please don't omit it. Now after about 10 minutes of cooking, I'm going to go in with my chopped olives and capers, and I'm going to mix that in. You want to cook this until the olives and the capers are plump. You see how the filling looks? Just like a pastel filling. And I didn't want it to be wet, so depends on the type of meat. I'm using breast meat here. I'm finishing off with some Worcestershire sauce. Mix that in, and I'm going to reserve half of this because I'm going to show you guys another recipe. So you'll see that in a upcoming video. So lay your chips on your tray. Use whatever chips you like. And take your pastel filling and place it over the chips. I know the camera is a little bit out of focus there for a second. So now I'm going to go on with my cheese. And use any type of cheese you would like. It goes into my oven, and once the cheese is melted, then we can finish. Okay, so here I have my cheese nice and melted. Now we're going to go on with some chopped onion and tomatoes. This is just plain chopped onion and tomatoes, guys. It's not a salsa. If you wanted to use a salsa, you can. I'm topping it with some guacamole. The recipe is also on my channel for that. I'm going to top it with some sour cream. And you notice how I'm spreading out everything. So when you take up one piece, you can try to get everything on that one piece. I topped it with some pickled jalapeños. And that's it. If you wanted to put refried beans on this, whatever you want to top it with, you feel free to top it with whatever you like. Take this recipe and switch it up and make it your own. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Comment down below, let me know what you think. If you try it, make sure and tag me on Instagram. I would love to see your photos, and I will repost if you tag me. So thank you guys so much for joining me in the kitchen today. Do stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Bye everyone.